Hi everyone, I'm Cindy and welcome back to my channel. I'm a born and bred New Yorker, mature Latina, cancer survivor. I'm living proof that it's never too late to pursue your passion. My passion is watercolors and art, and I discovered my passion in my early 60s. And in today's episode, I am so excited. This came in the mail. Yay! What does this package contain that I got from an Etsy shop with the sticker that says thank you? This little package contains an item that is going to be a ton of fun. So come with me as I show you the contents of this package. I saw this in Etsy and I just had to have it. I'm like, oh my goodness, this is going to complement this tube set so much. I like that little sticker. Thank you. That's nice. I like that touch. It's touches like that that really brings it, makes it special. And look what I have. Yep, I saw this and I'm like, oh my goodness. It's from the Creators Hand Company. And it even has a nice little note that says, thanks, Cynthia. That's nice. Yes, it's a ring. It's a palette ring. I just had to get it. I just had to. See how it came in packaged? It's wonderful. Love it. Look, a little palette set. It has 5 wells here and a little mixing area here. Oh my goodness. This is wonderful. And it has a little thing here. It has their website address. Oh, it has all their information here, which is great. For those of you who are interested, yeah. And this was $18. Can you believe it? I thought that was a very good price. Comes in 18 varieties. So, yep, I'm going to play around with this. So, let me gently remove this. I'm going to save this. And it's adjustable. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So, I think what I'll do, I think I'll do this. And then, yep, that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to put it to my hand over here. I mean, it's obvious, you know, it's a talk about fashion statement here. Fits well my hand. I will go outside for plein air painting. So let's see. I decided on the colors that I'm going to use. I'm going to use pale yellow. I'm going to use that. Pale yellow. I'm going to use orange yellow right here. I like this color a lot. Scarlet red. Scarlet red. Pale green. As well as deep green. Because yes, I'm going to do a floral. Put this aside. And I'm even using the Meeden watercolor paper. This is 4 inches by 3 inches. I like it. I like this size. I like working small sometimes. So, yep, very good quality paper. It's cold press, has a great tooth to it. That's what it looks like. Amazon has these also. 5-pack, each pack has 10 sheets. And it's $99.99, which I think is very good. Good price. So I'm going to be using the number 1 Princeton Velvet Touch. I like the way it feels in my hand. Really feels nice. I like the velvet touch texture here. Feels good. As well as a number 3 round, both rounds. So I'm using that. I have my Meeden Dual Wells. You could tell I'm a big Meeden fan. One for wash and one for rinse. Here. I guess that's how you do it. Talk about conversation starter, huh? The New York theme song is on. Yay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm so excited. I want to try this. Oh. Start with the 3 and use. I think this was a lot of fun. What do you think? Would you try something like this? I mean, it's adorable. Look at that. And it's not that heavy either. I thought this would weigh a ton, but it doesn't at all. It's great. Love it. Love it. Wow. I finished filming and I thought this was a completed painting. And I'm like, it came out okay. Came out right. But then I did another painting with, I did several paintings with this palette ring already. So inspired by this painting, and the video will go up in a couple of days from now. But I was looking at this painting. I'm like, why don't I do it with this painting too? So that's what I'm going to do. Inspired by this painting, because I like the whole effect here. I'll do that with same with this painting. Maybe add another flower or two. Because I don't know, it's just too bare to me. I don't know. I'm gonna spritz it with water so it can activate paints. Maybe I'll add a couple of flowers here. Add some stems here. Oh, these are gonna need stems. But then again, I want these to look like they're in the background. I want to add some more stems to maybe make it look like there's additional flowers in the background. I think that might be a good idea. Okay. Maybe a little flower there. Okay. stem there. Add like add leaves. Add a leaf here. I can move this. I'll move this. Add a leaf here. Maybe look like there's a leaf peeping out over here. Oops. Over here, maybe. Leaf peeping out there. Leaf out here, perhaps. Add another leaf over here. Maybe a leaf there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna add this. Add this. This has such a large mixing area. Awesome. And it's a 1/4 inch deep. I measured it. So maybe if I add a little bit of, maybe I'll add a little bit of dark green there. It's good. Okay, I could add some more of that there. What I'm going to do now is take my flathead brush, dip it in my water, and I'm just gonna do a swirly. See what I'm doing? Swirling it around, giving it a nice texture. I don't think that's dry yet. That's okay. I could do that with this. You know what I could do? I'm meaning to do that. To do this damp brush, you use a damp brush. Look at that. Doesn't it give an added dimension, I think? I'll do it in here too. I think Ellen Cremy Trent just does it on the outside, but I'm doing it on the inside too, because why not? I think it adds another layer to the painting. What do you think? Yeah, definitely. What I'm going to do now is just go back in there and just paint the stems again. There. I think that's much better. Let me just add a little bit more there. Add a little bit more green. A little bit more green. There. There. Add a little bit more green there. Oh, let me see. Hold on. I think using the deep green now. I think that's what that was. It was a deep green. I think that's it. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed the video. Put any comments or questions below. Like and subscribe and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.